What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I don't actually feel like cleaning today, but new year, let's get it popping. My house also needs to be cleansed because I've been on vacation a lot, so there's a lot of collected mess. So yeah, we're gonna be cleaning today, but I'm also going to be filming and doing some other work, so I'm gonna pop in and out. So the first room that I'm gonna clean is my beauty room, like where I do my makeup and all that good stuff. And it looks a mess because for New Year's Eve, I did my homegirl's hair, and then she came and helped me do my hair a little bit. And I cut some hair, so there's like hair everywhere, y'all. It looked a mess. I'm gonna show you in a second, but that is the first step, so let's get into it. I'm ready to go. This is what it looks like. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, but it's not gonna take me a long time to clean, but it is pretty bad. So let's get into it. There's Sky right there. Hi, Tuda. Let's get into it. So the first thing that I like to do is to clean the floors, especially if there's hair. I hate walking on hair. I hate dragging hair all over the floor. So this was a must. I had to do this first. I'm not gonna even lie, I suck at having shelves. It's like if I see a shelf, I just keep putting junk on it or something, but we're doing better in 2023. We're gonna put everything back where it goes. So as you can see, all my electronics is inside of my closet. So I'm just making sure I put the caps on my lenses and all that good stuff and just organizing that. And I like to move things from the outside in. That's kind of like my method when I'm cleaning. Everything gets moved to these tables, and then from the tables, then I take, you know, little bits and pieces of stuff and I put it back where it's supposed to go. So it just helps me out to kind of like consolidate everything so that I can grab multiple items at once instead of going back and forth to different spaces and taking things. You get what I'm saying? I hope you get what I'm saying, Fren. And boom, just like that, we are done and ready to vacuum. So then I vacuumed up. Sky actually does not hate the vacuum, so she was chilling. She liked to play with it, but I'm glad she wasn't playing with it right now because we are filming. We're working right now, Missy Ma'am. Now, as you can see, I'm taking something out of the dryer. Laundry was the very first thing that I did. You always start with laundry because you're gonna always go back and forth with your laundry as you're cleaning the entire house. So I'm just showing you guys a little bit of the laundry that we have going on here, y'all. It was so much freaking laundry. So I was traveling back to back to back, so I didn't have time. So I would just bring my dirty clothes, drop them off, grab new clothes, and I'll be out of here, you know what I'm saying? So it was a lot of laundry, like a lot of laundry, y'all. It was annoying because I hate laundry so much. All right, so now I'm about to do the pantry revamp. This is my favorite part. There was so much in here that I was like annoyed at my pantry at this point, y'all. I mean, I'm taking everything out of the pantry. This was therapeutic and frustrating at the same time because I had so much stuff in this pantry, y'all. We're all cleaned out, so I wanted to go ahead and cleanse every single shelf in here because, of course, this is the only time it's gonna get cleaned. So look at that, nice and clean and fresh. I still love this pantry. And now on to the refrigerator. Now, I didn't take anything off of the doors of the refrigerator out because I liked where they were and they weren't expired, so I just left that. But I did take everything out the refrigerator because I needed to, you know, get rid of some old food, restock the coffee, all that good stuff. So I'm just like, let's take it out, wipe it down, give it a good New Year cleanse, you know? Now look at that sexy refrigerator. I love that black with the lights. It never gets old. It never gets old, y'all. So I'm just showing y'all what I have in the doors. I did wipe my refrigerator down. I don't think I showed you guys that, but of course we wiped her down, and we're gonna get right into restocking. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. These clothes were on this bed for about 3 days, okay? I slept in my mother's room just to avoid this. So let me tell you how I get through all these clothes. So first, I like to grab like items. So now I'm grabbing all of the pants that need to be hung up. And as you can see, I'm putting them on the hanger. And then after that, I move on to jackets, shirts, all that good stuff. And it just helps me not have to go back and forth as frequently. So use this tip, I'm telling you, especially if you're one of those like me who wait to the last minute and like wait till you have a lot of clothes. It sucks, but it happens, okay? So now I'm just showing you guys how I fold my towels because I just love how I fold my towels. Honey, I found this on TikTok. I found everything on TikTok. But I love this little method where you just like roll it up and then it has that little cute, I like it. And you just tuck the end. Super cute. All right, so now I'm just hanging up everything, and I like to organize by type and by color. So I'll have, as you can see, I have like bodysuits, strapless shirts, longer shirts, sweatshirt, like everything will be within itself. And then within that section, I like to color coordinate just to keep it a little aesthetically pleasing, you guys know. So I'm just hanging everything up, and like I said earlier, doing like the pants first and then the jackets and everything, it keeps everything together. So when I go to my closet to hang everything up, it's not a hot mess. It doesn't take me a long time trying to like go all over my closet putting things up, because like items are with like items. And just like that, we are done, you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this clean with me video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.